Do you remember in-person conferences, traveling to foreign countries, meeting and talking to real people, listening to interesting talks, and trying new food? Do you? Do you also remember cancelled flights, delayed and crowded trains, walking around in strange cities, trying to find your hotel or the conference venue? Do you remember all that as well? And when you ask yourself, despite all these difficulties, is it worth attending in-person conferences? The answer for the EHIL Conference 2022 in Rotterdam is, oh yes, it was totally worth it. I boarded a night train in Basel, had a bad night's sleep and woke up the next morning in Germany. Well, I had breakfast in bed and sometime later I arrived in Rotterdam in the Netherlands. I managed to find my hotel and to check in.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Since I had some time until the first appointment, I walked around the city and found this beautiful large bookstore.
Wake up, it's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Then I visited the Maritime Museum. I learned about drug traffic and started training to work on an oil platform. Unfortunately, I had to leave this training early in order to attend the council meeting, where we discussed about how to gain new members and get people more involved. After dinner, I met with the YARN Special Interest Group. The next morning, the conference started officially. Paul Smith gave the funniest and most memorable opening lecture ever. Then we headed into our sessions. I listened to a variety of interesting talks. For instance, about the history of medical libraries in Italy, about how to deduplicate with an automatic tool, whether it was worth tracking citations backward and forward, how publications in predatory journals could be identified more easily, or about a new archive for search strategies. Between the sessions, I visited many sponsors to learn about their new products. I was also asked to rate oral presentations during one session, and during another I was busy tweeting. Together with my colleague Ellie from Oxford, we presented our own talk and workshop. On Thursday evening, the conference dinner took place with an interesting food concept. Since the music was too loud for my taste, we didn't stay till the end. Yes, attending EHIL 2020 in person was totally worth it.